Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Twitter verification badge. So fixing Twitter verification issues such as missing badges, failed submission, or verification loops involve verifying account details, clearing cache, or submitting support tickets. So first what you can do is fix your age verification loop. You can just go to your Twitter account and then go to your profile. And once you go to profile, tap on set up profile and then set up your birth date or re-enter your birth date even if it is correct and save the changes. Now once you do that, go to your profile tab on the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down to settings and privacy. Now once you go to settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety. Now go to content UC. Now once you go to content UC, search settings and turn off hide sensitive content. Now in the same content UC menu, tap sensitive media and ensure display media that may contain sensitive content is checked. Now log out of your account and close the app completely and log back in. Now the next what you can do is fixing a verification failed document upload issues. Make sure that images or documents are under 5 MB using JPG, PNG or PDF formats. Now make sure that the name on your ID matches your Twitter account name exactly. Also ensure the ID is clearly visible, well lit and not blurry. If the app fails, try submitting through a desktop browser. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.